Hey guys, it's time for the 4th week of Vegudairy shopping list. We're almost done. I can't believe it. Right here I have a little review. This is my ricotta that I pressed into my traditional ricotta mold. And this is yummy. I mixed some toasted onion powder and toasted onion flakes into some cream cheese and made French onion cream cheese, and I will put the recipe for that. And here are just some of the non-marinated feta chunks, and they're very good. They're so they taste so creamy. It's hard to believe they're made out of almond milk. Goes good with the tomato. It's because the almonds are not roasted, I think. You know, if you get store-bought almond milk, I don't even think it would work. There's so little almond in it. I don't even think you could make cheese out of it. But it's toasted, so you get that toasted flavor that you don't get with the raw almonds. I'm going to try a little bit of this. This is so good. Wow. I feel like onions. Sorry. Talking with my mouth full. The secret to this is to buy dried minced onions. Don't buy the onion powder because you need the minced onions. You toast the minced onions in a dry pan until they get nice and brown. And then you let them cool. And then you take half of them and grind them into a powder, because you use both the powder and the flakes in this cheese. It's really, really good. And the ricotta is also it's very creamy and mild. A lot of cheese. I'm gonna have to make a bunch of lasagna and ravioli. But anyway, that's kind of a recap. I won't do an official recap of the soft young cheeses that I did this week, because I like them all. They're all different. But we have to get to the shopping list. If you don't already have cashews, you're going to need cashews. You're going to need some miso paste, either mellow white miso or brown miso. Just don't get the red miso because that's too strong for cheese. You'll need nutritional yeast if you don't already have it. You'll need some white wine, some sauerkraut, the fresh. You know, if you make your own sauerkraut, that's the best, but don't buy the shelf-stable stuff because it's got no live culture in it. Now we come to the mold if you want to make blue cheese or brie or Camembert. For blue cheese, you will need penicillium roqueforti. For Camembert, you'll need penicillium candidum and geotrichum candidum, and I'll have those written out in the description. And for brie, you need penicillium candidum. Geotrichum's kind of expensive, but you don't need very much. But you know, you may want to just try the brie first and see how it goes. You're definitely going to need cheesecloth. You're going to need molds, some kind of molds to press your cheeses into. So think about that, you know, small bowls, or I have some little like springform tart pans, stuff like that. If you haven't already made your Rejuvilac, you're going to need some of that. You're going to need buttermilk or yogurt. You're going to need butter. And if you didn't make your own butter, get Miyoko's butter, because Earth Ballad just isn't going to be nice in this stuff. Otherwise, just use the refined coconut oil. Truffle oil, truffle salt, or white truffles. Some food grade activated carbon. Some herbs, parsley, marjoram, thyme, chervil, and tarragon. Those can all be dried. Some fresh garlic, some lemons, some paprika, some cornichons. Those are those little baby pickles, those little tiny inch-long pickles. Caraway seeds, shallots, capers, popcorn kernels. I bet you're wondering what that's going to turn into. Macadamia nuts and garlic powder. And I think that's it, but if I've forgotten anything, I'll remind you. So all of that will be listed in the description. The recipe for the French onion cheese will be in the description. Link to yesterday's video will be in the description. Link to the Vegudairy playlist will be in the description. And I'll see you later.